Two Irish people are among over 300 people, mostly tourists, missing after a deadly flash flood in Nepal. At least 95 bodies have so far been recovered, but the final number of dead is expected to reach into the hundreds. A huge wall of mud and rock collapsed into a river on the Himalayan border of Nepal and Tibet, triggering catastrophic flooding on the Nepali side.
Even without sound, the ferocity of the mudslide is palpable. CCTV images capturing the speed at which it moved and the power with which it swept away anything in its path, here engulfing a border crossing between Nepal and Tibet. The wall of mud and rock followed catastrophic flooding that initial reports suggested could have been triggered by an earthquake or ice snapping off a melting glacier. Buildings, villages and lives swept away in seconds in the Himalayan border area. Officials looked to evacuate areas that were at risk as army units moved in to do what they could to rescue those already affected. The huge challenge involved in those rescue operations, clear from images like this, where the job of getting people out of mud-soaked villages is slow and painstaking. Worries about further landslides and rising river levels have also prevented helicopters getting to harder-to-reach areas. Amid apocalyptic scenes and a deluge of water sweeping down from an estimated 2,000 metres above sea level, flood alerts were also issued in the populous northern Indian states of Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, as officials in Nepal warn that the death toll is expected to rise. Fiona Mitchell, RTE News.